Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Karvipark solar ground lights. You can get this product on Amazon for about $29. Check out the link in the description. The lights are small and lightweight, and they are easy to assemble. There's an on-off switch on the bottom of the lights. Installing the ground lights only takes a few seconds. I use the solar ground lights in my backyard and I think it's a very nice product. They are easy to install, don't need a lot of space, they are bright and look really nice. So if you are looking for some nice solar ground lights to use outside of your house, I would recommend the Karvipark solar ground lights. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.